guys, and welcome back to my channel Beauty by Ada here. As you already know from the thumbnail, you know what we're about to do today. If you want to see how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just stay tuned and keep watching. If you are new to this channel, you're seeing this face for the first time and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please consider clicking on that subscribe button and joining the family. You're so welcome. Okay, so guys, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in and always coming back. So I really do appreciate you all. So let's just get into this makeup look, because I know we all want to see how I achieve this makeup look. So let's just get into this video. So guys, the first thing I am going to do is to apply my Rimmel Stay Matte Face Primer. And after that, I go in with my House of Terra eyeshadow primer. After that, I am going in with this James Charles palette. This has, you guys know, this has always been my best palette, so I'm going in with that. And after that, I am also applying this primer so I can do like my cut crease. So I'm going in with the green color on the eyeshadow palette. I'm just taking this easy because I don't usually do colors. Like, I'm more of a subtle makeup kind of girl, so I don't usually do colors, but I decided to throw in some colors, so I'm just dabbing that gently on my eyelid. After that, I'm going in with my L'Oreal eyeliner. I got this from Amazon. Like I always say, I got this. It's very affordable for people who are, like, if you are starting up your makeup, it's very affordable and it's a very great eyeliner. So it's the cream liner from L'Oreal. And after that, I'm going in with this NYX liner that I got from Amazon. I decided to check that out. And then this NYX white liner for my waterline. This is actually like an eyeshadow primer, but I use it for my waterline because I really do like it. And it comes out beautiful. So my ColourPop concealer for highlighting. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And like I always say, I do my highlight before my foundation, and sometimes I do my foundation before my highlight. It just depends on what I want to do. Then I'm going in with my Airspun setting powder. As I'm setting my face, I go ahead to line my lip with my lip pencil. I can't even remember, I'm so sorry guys, I can't even remember the name of this lip pencil. I've had it for a while. I just love it so much. Then I apply this Milani lipstick. After that, I go ahead and use my powder to finish up everything, to set everything, my highlights and everything together, just to set my face. And then I go in with this e.l.f. contour palette to contour my nose. I don't know why, but I always do the nose last because I just don't know why I do that, but I always contour my nose lastly before, setting back everything. And this is my e.l.f. blush palette. Like I tell you guys, I have everything that is beginner friendly. I have all the products that are, some drugstore products and some really good products and some really good and affordable products that you can use, and without spending a whole lot. You have so many good products that you can use. I always show you guys what I use and all the good products that I use. And this is my fantastic bronzer, my Milani fantastic bronzer. You have to slay, but then you don't have to cut your arm and your leg because you want to do your makeup. So I always show you guys the affordable makeups that I use. Not like I don't have the high-end makeups. I have the MAC, I have the NARS, I have all those high-end makeup, but I just use this so you see you can also slay your makeup and not spend too much. So I went in that palette to take the yellow color in the palette for my under eye. I just needed my eye to pop a bit more, so I went in with that yellow palette, and I'm going to be going in with the green color also on the palette. And then I'm going to be setting my face with my Smashbox setting spray.
So guys, this is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family. Share it. Everything is free, and if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.